Now recently we've been testing out the limited edition of the World of Warcraft Midnight Edition of the RTX 5070 from MSI. And before we can actually start testing, we need to make sure that we had the best, most reliable, and safest power supply possible, since components like this and many other PC components are fairly expensive and hard to come by. You want to make sure you have the most reliable and safest power supply possible. And in order to do that, MSI sent over the MAG A1200PLS PCIE5 fully modular power supply that has 1200 watts of power and 80 plus platinum efficiency certification. And the big thing about this PSU is that it has a whole bunch of GPU safeguard tech that ensures that your graphics card runs as safely and as efficiently as possible. Now, one of the issues with the 12-volt high-power connector with the 4000 and 5000 series graphics cards, especially on the upper end power spectrum, is that in the early days there was a lot of issues with overheating, melted connectors due to poor connectivity contact points, as well as poor management coming from the direct power supply itself. And in order to address this issue, MSI has created a new microcontroller called the MCU, which constantly monitors specifically the GPU power connection through the 12-volt connector. It makes sure that you have good, adequate contact points at all times, and make sure that the power delivery is constant and stable. And in the event that there's some abnormal behavior due to either poor connectivity or power delivery, it will actually give you 3 phases of warnings to make sure that your system and indeed your PSU is safe. In the first phase, if it detects any kind of abnormal power over voltage or under voltage beyond specification, it will keep the display on and give you about 3-minute window to basically shut down your whole system. And within the power supply, there's actually a small speaker integrated, and it will actually give you a beeping sound notifying the user that there's something wrong with the power delivery, and you want to make sure that you have everything saved and want to make sure that you're starting to shut down your system. If you ignore that warning, the screen will turn black, and then you'll be entered into a forced shutdown. When phase 3 kicks in, you basically want to make sure that your entire system is off and preferably unplugged to the main power line. And you want to make sure that you have all your connections seated right, specifically to the GPU. And once you've determined that everything is okay, you can go ahead and restart your system. I think this is a really great idea to have something embedded within the power supply unit itself, especially from a power delivery standpoint. It is constantly monitoring how much power and how much voltage is going to every one of your system components, and specifically with the GPU being such an important and critical component to your system and such a sensitive electronic piece, especially from a cost standpoint, it is important to have that focus. And there's been a lot of situations where we had melted connectors and even destroyed GPUs due to poor connectivity or power delivery coming directly from the power supply. So definitely a good idea to have this integrated within the power supply unit, and I think most PSUs should probably have this feature going into the future. Now, besides the safety stuff, obviously this is a fully modular power supply. It comes in either a 1200 or 1000 watt version with 80 plus platinum certification in terms of efficiency, so it's pretty much the best in terms of power efficiency that you can get on the market right now. You also get very nice braided cables with built-in cable organizers, so you have all your cables flat, especially for your motherboard connections. You have 8-pin CPU power, obviously a single 12-volt high power connection for a single graphics card, whether that's good for a 5070, 5080, or something obviously older than that. The 135mm fan is also fairly quiet in terms of operation, and it actually has its own built-in safeguard as well. So if the fan for whatever reason stops running, that safety speaker is also tied critically to the fan itself, so it will notify the user with a beep that there is something wrong with either the power supply or the fan itself. It's not running, and you can inspect it and go further from there and troubleshoot that way. So definitely a nice integrated solution there as well. The really nice thing about this specific higher end series of power supplies from MSI is they come with an amazing 10-year warranty, so you're pretty much covered if anything goes wrong with the power supply, and MSI is great in terms of the warranty based on my experience. Beyond that, the 12-volt high power GPU connector also has dual colors, specifically yellow within the connection points, so that's a nice easy way to see if your connection is seated in properly. You can look at it from the side and glance. If there's any yellow coming out, it's not properly connected in, and you probably want to reinsert that cable to make sure that you have a nice even connection throughout the connector. I do want to thank MSI for giving us the opportunity to test out this PSU alongside their new series of WoW-inspired GPUs. We're going to have a specific dedicated video on the new Midnight series of graphics cards. So if you're interested in seeing what these 5070s can do, check out that video. In the meantime, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, continuing to support the channel. And if you have any specific questions, let me know, and check out the description for everything we've talked about. Please give us a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you real soon in the next one. Take care.